Do you wanna make this stealth jet MK.2? Keep watching. Boom, boom, let's get it. So if you wanna make this MK.2 stealth jet, you need one origami paper and you need a glue stick, U-hole. So what we should do is get started from step 1.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good sometimes I don't,
2.
I finesse down with the road, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D, wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that no side E is still, Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they
Step 3. Step 4. Step 5.
Said you love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Very good, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes to the party. Michael Turn is G.O.D, wait. I go hard on Southside G, wait. I make sure that no side E, Still, what's up? Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 then on me. God's plan. Been a minute since we kicked it, you been caught up. Bad thing with them bitches, I don't get it, you're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wish on me. Shouldn't have to deal with it. I never make you feel like that. Cause I love me enough for the both of us.
And this is how actually your MK.2 or stealth jet is gonna look like. It is really cool. Let's go and get it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't leave us alone without hitting that subscribe button if you like to see more adventures in the future every week, and always or usually Friday. And don't forget, don't ever forget, hit that like button if you liked, enjoyed, and found this video helpful. And tell me, are you gonna make this MK.2? Hit that card and answer the question. Boom, boom, to the next one.